So I thought let's put some of my voice in this video. I have a second channel, by the way, called The Guy Who Tells Stories. And remember, tells stories is capital. So yeah, just remember that. And yeah, today we're gonna be unboxing this Ikon thingy majiggy boogie poppy. This is model IK600B. Model IK600B. Yeah, this is by Ikon. It says mini thermoelectric cooler and warmer. So this is like a mini fridge for your car. Yeah. Okay, so it says mini thermoelectric cooler and warmer, model blah blah. Capacity 6 liters. I'm not sure if you want to read if I want to read all this for you guys. Because all the who even reads all this? Like, why? The first and the second thing I understand people read. The rest who reads it? Guys, I'm gonna be coughing a lot throughout this video because I'm a little sick and okay, there's tape. So it looks like this has already been opened, but I think that's just like the shipping policy to like check what's in here. Yeah. And also I think I'll need a scissor or something. So let me just go grab that, and let's cut to when I have this when I have the knife. All right. So this video needs to be made for kids, so I'm not gonna bring in a blade. So let's just use these the spare key. Actually, this is the main key, but there's a story behind this. The car that this key opens the door to was stolen. Yeah. But anyway, let's just open this. This should probably work. Yep. That worked for sure. Okay. I think it's gonna open now. I'm sorry because this is a big flipping box and it might not be in frame for the most of the video. I'm kind of new to this YouTube thing. Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's just put that there. Okay. Let's open this. Here is the unit. Here is the unit itself. Okay, that looks kind of big. Okay, it's kind of heavy too, and we've got some instructions. So we got some instructions that are going straight into the dustbin. Okay, so here's the thing, and where are the wires? Oh, they're in here. Okay, so the wires are in here. Let's see what they are. Okay, so as I was saying, this is like a mini fridge for your car when you go on like long road trips. This comes in handy for keeping your drinks cold. Right here, plug this into your car, and this has 2 ports. This has 2 ports, and it can also keep your food hot if you put it there. Right here is off in the middle, and then over here it's cold. So yeah, and you have 2 options. You have DC or AC. If you flick it to AC, you have to connect this to AC. Okay, wait. Let me just connect this. Wait. Okay. So the DC is for cars. and AC is for like using it in your house. So yeah, so this is a capacity of 6 liters. So you can fill like 6 1-liter bottles in here probably. Yeah. Made it. Oh my God, made in China. Let me go grab the sanitizer. Just kidding. And you can also kind of carry this. There's a strap there. There's room for 4 cans. Oh, this has a magnet on it, made magnetically. It closes magnetically, and there's actually a lot of room in there, like a foot or so. No, not a foot. Like a half a foot or so. Yeah. Yeah, half a foot. Oh shoot. That box fell. Okay. So yeah, and here is the fan that does all the work. Alright. Yeah, there's nothing much else to it. We got some nice feet down here. Which actually seem kind of sticky, so they will catch dust, so you cannot keep this like under your feet, which is I think the ideal place for this, like on the bottom of the car in the back seat. I think that's the ideal place for this, but this is actually meant to be kept in the back seat, in like in the place where you keep your arm when you take it out. You're supposed to keep it like that, in there like that. So yeah, pretty cool. But I think a normal person without reading the instructions would actually keep this in front somewhere so they can connect it. But the wire is also pretty long. Yeah. So that is all for this fridge. Okay, I just want to say one other thing. This is all plastic built. Pretty bendy plastic, if you can see it, pretty bendy. So yeah, I don't, and when you like put it down hardly, it doesn't make that much sound to me. Even though my table is pretty worn out and it'll make a lot of sound. Yeah, the rubber feet kind of absorb all the sound. So anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in the next one. And also don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, The Guy Who Tells Stories. Remember, tell stories is capitalized, and I'll see y'all in the next one. And this is a longer video, so please like, because longer videos take a lot of work and a lot of editing to do. So yeah, like, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.